This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Hi, Zahra. Did I say your name correctly?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Shibla Madam. So this meeting has been set up. It will be only the 15 to 20 minutes. Basically, this is the preliminary session. It's just an open Q&A, basically, just to get to know you. You don't need to be super the technical. I just want to know your day-to-day work or some of the testing you have been involved, and why are you looking for a new job, or what is your expectation from the new job? This kind of just simple question. Is this good?
Yeah.
Basically, after this interview, we'll be setting up another interview. It will be 45 minutes at the interview. That interview, we would like to know the more technical things based on your resume that we have you have shared with us. So this job is basically heavily involved with the backend testing. We have two separate teams. The front-end team and the backend team are currently. The backend team, testing team, is actually the offshore. We are actually getting someone who not only knows the testing, but also actually the guiding the offshore team, also work with the offshore team, make sure the work is done, and they can actually work with the US team. So I will not say it's leading position, but I would like to say a guiding person, not only doing the testing, but also explain to the offshore team, assign some work to the offshore team, and then get the work done and the report to the US team, because we have two working hours. One is the Asian time, one is the US time. We work at the US time, and we are looking for the quality assurance engineer for the US time. So do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So what is your day-to-day work look like nowadays? What do you do actually?
Well, my day-to-day, what I do usually as a software quality engineer, my responsibility is to understand the business requirements, writing test cases, and creating bug reports using the company's internal management tool. What I do usually, my day-to-day activity looks like I log into the system, and then I check my email if there is anything important I need to work on. And I also check my current sprint where I have my assigned task. I start working on it. Then I have the meeting around 9:30, which is the daily sync up meeting. It goes for 15 minutes. And then after that, that's where we discuss like what we did yesterday, what I did yesterday, and what I'm going to work on today. And after that, like after the meeting, or if I have any roadblock, the product owner or Scrum Master, helps me with my roadblock, if there is any.
So you guys are led by the product owner or the Scrum Master?
We have actually both.
Okay, got it. But who lead the team? Like the product owner?
Product owner.
So what project do you work on? Can you just quickly talk about your project?
Okay, one of the recent project I'm working on is a e-commerce domain project where I played the key role in ensuring quality of software. The e-commerce project I have worked on has entails, including seller and buyer portal. It is built on MERN stack technology, which was later moved from monolithic to microservice architecture. And then
what features have you tested?
Okay, I have tested the seller on the seller portal. I have tested like the payment for the payment, like for accepting the orders.
Sure. Understood. So how long your sprint is?
Okay, the sprint is 2 weeks long.
Sure. And then how many QA is in the team?
We have total 3 QA, including myself.
Sure.
And the total team is like, okay, so can I tell you like what we have done, like in our project?
I think that I'm having a hard
I
time.
followed like, okay, we
Maybe
followed the agile methodology
Sure.
and collaborated with the cross-functional team. Our software development team considered 8
Sure.
team members, product owner, Scrum Master, 2 developers, at the DevOps engineer, and then 3 software test engineers, including myself. And where we had the 2-week sprint sprints, sprint planning meeting, sprint review meeting, bug triage meeting, show and tell, daily stand-ups, and retrospective meetings.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Understood. So what type of challenge you have in your current, like the day-to-day job? Day-to-day
Sorry.
challenge? Okay, understood. So if you want to move to the new role, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is your expectation? What is your ideal work environment will be in a new position that you are expecting?
Okay. It should be remote.
What about our position is hybrid. The once a quarter you have to come.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes maybe once a month. So is it a deal breaker for you?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Once in a month, yeah, or that would be fine. Small team.
What is the some challenges you are facing? You think working from home versus working in the office? What model do you prefer? The working in the office or working from home?
Well, both I think has cons and pros. So for home, sometimes the challenge would be like, I have kids, so it's a little hard. Like sometimes you have to pick them up, or so. For the office, like
that's kind of the adjustment, right? You just you drop off the kids and pick up the kids. We do the same thing. So that's the adjustment. Okay, 8 to 9 you'll not be available, or the 3:30 to 4:30 you'll not be available.
Yeah, that's when actually I take a break to pick them up. I take a break, my lunch break.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Understood.